Welcome to Vansdirect. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Renault Trafic. Starting at the front of the vehicle, we've got a low-level black bumper for all your low-level bumps and scrapes. Either side are fog lights. Moving upwards, we've got the striking Renault grille with, of course, centre being the badge. And the vehicle is also fitted with a Renault LED Pure Vision headlights and LED daytime running lights. Moving along the side of the vehicle, we've got the 16-inch alloy wheels on this particular vehicle, fitted with Goodyear Efficient Grip economical tyres. Moving up from the alloy wheel, we've got a large wing mirror with indicator built in, just to give you the extra visibility. We've got a large side loading door here to give you extra space to get things into the load compartment. Also fitted along the lower level of the van is more of that black low-level bumper, just to protect it against any bumps or scrapes as you're parking up. Moving along the rear of the vehicle, we've got low-level black bumper fitted with reverse sensors and also large rear lights as well. We've got 50/50 opening barn doors. Inside the doors, they open up to a large space leading into the interior load compartment. Another great feature of these doors is they have the facility to open to 180 degrees by just a simple flip of a handle. You're able to widen the area of the load space so that if you needed anything bigger to get into the van, you've got that facility too. Inside the Trafic, there's lots of room, lots of headroom, a great view outside as well. Firstly starting, we've got the dual passenger bench seat along with a single driver's seat with armrests fitted as well. We've got a really nice minimalist dashboard here, plenty of storage options though, just underneath the centre console, in the glove box and just above the dashboard too. In the centre of the vehicle, we've got the infotainment system containing sat-nav, Bluetooth and radio systems. And then just below that, we've got all the fans, air conditioning settings all down there. 6-speed manual gearbox for this particular Trafic. And then moving over, we've got the multifunctional steering wheel, controls for the speed limiter and cruise control with the dials just in front of that. And also controls for the automatic lights and wipers too. Three things that we absolutely love about the Renault Trafic are the space. You've got plenty of room both inside the cabin and also in the load compartment. The design, it's very sporty looking, very nice, very stylish, and also the interior. You get a great comfortable driving experience, all while driving a commercial vehicle. That's it for the Renault Trafic. For more information on this particular vehicle or other vehicles in the Renault range, log on to vansdirect.co.uk.